Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest
Then the invading alpha male takes to the field. Weighing up to 40 pounds, Hanuman langur males are larger than females. And their nearly 1-inch long canines can bite through an infant monkey's skull. The alpha male is claiming the land for the newcomers. The female defense. They have the home advantage. The fight escalates into all-out warfare. The newcomers attack, but the residents know the terrain and are a finely tuned team. They rush at the invaders. Their strategy is to cut off individuals and overwhelm them. To feed their children, they even have to take on the alpha male. It's high risk, but these mothers are on a life or death mission. The alpha male may be bigger, but he and his gang aren't fighting as a coordinated unit. Working together, the residents break through enemy lines. Teamwork wins the day. And they drive the newcomers off their turf. But as the monkey populations grow, the competition for food will only get more ruthless.